Welcome back to South Motor Car. Today we're taking a detailed look at the impressive 2026 Lucid Gravity, one of the most advanced luxury electric SUVs on the market. If you're searching for a premium family SUV that combines incredible performance, cutting-edge technology, and long-distance driving capability, then this vehicle deserves your attention. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the 2026 Lucid Gravity. The 2026 Lucid Gravity continues Lucid Motors' mission of redefining electric luxury. After the success of the Lucid Air sedan, the company has expanded its lineup with an SUV that blends sports car performance with the comfort and practicality of a full-size family vehicle. From its futuristic styling to its impressive driving range, the Gravity is designed to compete with the best luxury electric SUVs available today. At first glance, the Lucid Gravity stands out with its sleek aerodynamic design. Instead of the boxy shape found on many SUVs, it features smooth curves, a low roofline, and an elegant front fascia that gives it a modern and premium appearance. The slim LED headlights stretch across the front, while the large panoramic windshield flows seamlessly into the glass roof, creating a bright and open feeling inside the cabin. Every design detail is focused on improving efficiency while maintaining a luxurious look. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the spacious and sophisticated interior. The cabin is built using premium materials, including soft leather upholstery, sustainable fabrics, genuine wood trim, and brushed aluminum accents. Lucid has focused on creating a clean, minimalist dashboard that looks both modern and functional. The panoramic glass roof allows natural light to flood the cabin, making every seat feel airy and comfortable. One of the biggest highlights of the Gravity is its seating flexibility. Depending on the configuration, it offers seating for up to 7 passengers, making it an excellent choice for families. Even with all seats occupied, passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom. The second row seats slide and recline for added comfort, while the third row provides more space than many competitors in the luxury SUV segment. Cargo capacity is another major advantage. With the rear seats folded, the Gravity offers a large storage area capable of handling luggage, sports equipment, or shopping trips with ease. There's also a front trunk that provides additional storage for smaller items, making this SUV incredibly practical for everyday use and long road trips. Technology is one of Lucid's strongest selling points. The 2026 Gravity features a massive curved digital display that combines the driver's instrument cluster with an advanced infotainment system. A secondary touchscreen on the center console controls climate settings, navigation, media, and vehicle functions. The interface is responsive, easy to use, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice commands and over-the-air software updates ensure the system continues improving over time. Music lovers will appreciate the premium surround sound audio system, delivering crystal clear sound throughout the cabin. Multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and high-speed connectivity keep every passenger connected during long journeys. Now let's talk about performance, because this is where the Lucid Gravity truly shines. Powered by Lucid's advanced dual-motor all-wheel drive electric system, the Gravity delivers incredible acceleration. Higher performance models produce well over 800 horsepower, allowing the SUV to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds. That's sports car performance in a full-size luxury SUV. Acceleration feels smooth and instant thanks to the electric powertrain. Whether you're merging onto a highway or overtaking slower traffic, the Gravity delivers power effortlessly. The all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in all weather conditions, making it a confident vehicle for year-round driving. Handling is equally impressive. Despite its size, the Gravity feels agile and composed around corners. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts ride height and damping based on driving conditions, providing a comfortable ride on rough roads while maintaining excellent stability during spirited driving. Steering is precise, and the low center of gravity created by the battery pack improves overall balance. Range anxiety becomes much less of a concern with the 2026 Lucid Gravity. Thanks to its large battery pack and highly efficient electric motors, certain versions are expected to deliver over 440 miles of driving range on a full charge, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs available. This allows drivers to travel long distances without frequent charging stops. Charging performance is equally impressive. The Gravity supports ultra-fast DC charging, allowing drivers to recover hundreds of miles of range in roughly 20 minutes when connected to compatible high-speed charging stations. Home charging is also convenient, enabling overnight charging so the vehicle is ready every morning. Safety has always been a priority for Lucid, and the Gravity comes equipped with an extensive list of advanced driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, parking assistance, and a surround view camera system. Advanced sensors, radar, cameras, and lidar technology work together to enhance driver awareness and improve overall safety. The Gravity also prepares for future autonomous driving capabilities through regular over-the-air software updates. As technology evolves, owners can expect new features and improvements without needing to visit a dealership. Efficiency is another major strength. Lucid's engineering expertise allows the Gravity to maximize energy usage, providing exceptional driving range while maintaining strong performance. Regenerative braking captures energy during deceleration, helping recharge the battery and extending driving distance even further. On the road, cabin insulation is outstanding. Wind noise and road noise are kept to a minimum, creating a peaceful driving environment. Combined with supportive seats and advanced suspension, long-distance travel becomes relaxing and enjoyable for both drivers and passengers. The expected starting price for the 2026 Lucid Gravity is around $80,000 in the United States, while higher trims with additional luxury features and performance upgrades can exceed $100,000. Although it sits in the premium luxury segment, the combination of advanced technology, exceptional driving range, premium craftsmanship, and thrilling performance makes it a strong competitor against other luxury electric SUVs. Overall, the 2026 Lucid Gravity represents the future of premium electric SUVs. It offers breathtaking performance, one of the longest driving ranges in its class, luxurious comfort, advanced technology, and practical family-friendly versatility. Whether you're commuting daily, taking cross-country road trips, or simply enjoying a premium driving experience, the Gravity delivers on every front. If you're considering making the switch to an electric luxury SUV, the 2026 Lucid Gravity should definitely be on your shortlist. It combines innovation, elegance, and real-world usability in a way that few competitors can match. Lucid has once again proven that electric vehicles can be exciting, luxurious, and practical all at the same time. Thank you for watching South Motor Car. If you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Lucid Gravity, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest automotive reviews. Let us know in the comments whether you would choose the Lucid Gravity over its competitors, and we'll see you in the next video.